Welcome back to my channel Venera Collections. Follow my video, watch till end, share your opinions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you again in next episode. Bye bye. would like to remind you that we need to strengthen this cuff. This will not be strong enough to wear, so please feel free to check my previous cuff and bangle videos from the YouTube playlist, so you will know how to finish them off. I don't want to make it longer video, so I'm just posting this much. Please feel free to check them.